Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video we want to go over the GoGo Sport 4-wheel. So the GoGo Sport 4-wheel has been improved. It has easy turn technology, so it's a 3-wheel turning radius capability, but it's a 4-wheel design. This is probably one of Pride Mobility's most popular scooters that they carry. It's been improved upon with that, but it's been around for decades. The weight capacity is 325. 12-mile battery range, and the top speed is just under 5 miles per hour. So we're going to get into it and show you more about the GoGo Sport 4-wheel. So you can see when I started the video, it was actually the seat was swiveled to the side. So if I pull this lever up, I can swivel it back. So that's really to get in and out of the seat easily, and the armrest also flip up for easy transfer in and out of the seat. Now on the back of the scooter, we have some anti-tip wheels here. They just prevent you from tipping backwards when you're going up steep inclines. You'll probably rarely ever use these, but they're here for added safety. We've got 2 reflectors here. We have the freewheel lever. Now this is really common on mobility scooters, and right now you can see it's pulled back and it's in this drive position. So this will engage the electromagnetic brakes. So when you let off the throttle, the brakes will automatically engage. Now I can push this forward into neutral, and you can hear it beeping. Let me turn off the key here. Now this is to, in case if you ever ran out of battery life, you can just put it in a neutral, and now you can push the scooter to your destination. But just keep in mind that you can't operate the scooter when it's in neutral. It has to be put back into that drive position. There's also a accessory hitch here on the back. So it's a 1-inch universal accessory hitch. So you can add things like a rear basket to the back. Just go to our product page and you'll see what options are available. These are the armrests, which are width adjustable, so I can loosen this knob, pull it out as far as I want, or I can even remove it if I wanted to. Put that back in here. We are giving away a free mobility scooter. Now, from the past of doing this giveaway, this is an authentic giveaway too, guys. We're actually giving these away to real people. This is not something that's set up. We give these to real people that actually subscribe and comment on our videos. But what we're finding is that a lot of times people are hard to get a hold of, and we want to give away to people that are supporting us. So moving forward, if you want to be eligible for this, all you have to do is comment on any video, subscribe to our channel, and then once you've done those things, send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'll put that on the screen, and then put your username of your YouTube name, and we're going to verify that you subscribed and you commented, and we'll have your email. So then we'll be able to let you know if you are one of the winners of our next giveaway. So just wanted to share that with you. On the seat back, we do have a little bit of storage. So you got a seat pouch here, and of course there is a basket on the front as well. Now as far as the seat, this is more of like a deluxe stadium style seat, so it has nice cushioning on here. Seat width on this would be, looks like it's almost 18 inches in width, and then the seat depth is about 17. Now if we move on to the tiller, you can see that this is a Delta tiller, so it has this wraparound oval shape, and this is good for people with limited dexterity in their hands, so they can rest their wrists on this bar that's closest to them, then use their fingers to accelerate. It's a pretty simple dash here. So we got the battery gauge, here's your speed control, and here's your key. We got a horn here, and it's ambidextrous tiller, so I can accelerate forward or go in reverse with just one hand. So if you didn't have use in one of your hands, you can easily operate this with just one hand. Now on the tiller, it is adjustable. If I loosen this knob, I can adjust it away from me or towards me and get to a comfortable position, then you just lock it into place. We also have a charging port here located up high. So you can charge it there. You can also charge it directly on the battery pack. So if I pull this off, there's another charging port here. So if you wanted to just bring the battery pack in your home, leave the scooter in your garage, and then once it's fully charged, just bring the battery pack back out and put it back on the scooter. Now, there is another little additional storage here. I forgot to mention that. But if you need more storage, I would recommend probably adding a rear storage basket to the hitch on the back. Now, the thing that, again, that I mentioned at the beginning of the video is the easy turn technology. So basically just turns just like a three-wheel scooter. You can see how the wheel on this side is almost opposite. So this is like perpendicular to this. Now, as far as, oh, I think I forgot to mention there is a light. So the switch is located right here, up here on the tiller. So press that on. You got a headlight here, drive in the evening. But let's show you how to disassemble this.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. Or you can also click on free catalog at the top of our website and just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
So first thing I'm going to do is turn this off. I'm going to take the key, put it in my pocket. Next thing I'm going to do is fold the seat back down, and that same lever I used to swivel, I'm going to pull that up and the seat will just pop right off. After that, we've got the battery pack, which I pulled off previously, but we'll pull it off again. You can just pull it right out. It connects through these metal connectors, so we have some male pieces that go into these female pieces. That's how you connect the power supply. So we'll set that to the side. Next, I would remove the basket, put that over here, and I'm going to fold the tiller down. So the same knob you used to adjust it, just lower it all the way down and then lock it into place, almost to where it's almost level to the floor. And then we have another knob here on the front. So right now when you're transporting this, if you don't lock this into place, this could jump around when it's in the back of your car. But if you want this to stay stationary, you want to make this vertical. So it's if I put this vertical, then this will not jump around when it's in your car. And while I'm here, I'll show you can adjust the height of the seat post. I can pull this pin out. Actually, I pull this out and there's a pin on this side, so I can adjust the height of this. Looks like you can only adjust it about 1 inch or 2. But you do have that ability to adjust this. So let me put it back in here. Get this clip in. All right. Now, the very last step, I'm going to pull this lever up and I'm going to push this down. And this disconnects the rear wheel assembly from the front half portion. Now, this would be the heaviest piece. I think this is about 44 pounds. But it's really a great transportable mobility scooter, very popular. So that's how you would disassemble. And as far as reassembling, you can see we have hooks here and they have this green stripe. There's also green stripes here. You just line those up together. So if I pull this up and put those hooks on, I can just drop it down. You'll hear it snap right into place. Next, I'm going to adjust this tiller up and we'll lock that into place. And then also this tab on the front, like right now you can't steer this. So I want to make sure that this is now turned to the side so it is horizontal. After that, drop the battery pack into here, those metal connectors. You got a seat, got a peg on the seat that you slide into the seat post. And the front basket, and that's how you reassemble. So one last thing I'll show you, I like to show this in a lot of the videos, is how I look in this, just to give you a little reference. So I'm 6'4", I weigh 235. I'm well under the weight capacity of this. So this is what I look like in this. I think it's fine for my height, but you can see on the actual wheel well, it has these knobs that stick out, and that's done on purpose. So you can rest your feet on here, and that's what I would do if I'm riding this. So not everyone can put their feet here, especially if you're taller, so I'd put it up here. There's also interchangeable color shrouds, which I forgot to mention. So you can pop all of these out and put blue shrouds in if you wanted to. It comes standard. But yeah, this is the GoGo Sport 4-wheel with the new Easy Turn technology. If you have any questions about it, give us a call. We're open every day. Phone number is 1-800-682-9444. You can also visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. And hope this video is helpful. You guys have a great day.